Hi all, this is your Professor Ian. This is a short video where I'm going to guide you through Canvas, especially the way I use it for this course. So, if you're new to Canvas, you might not be familiar with this. This is called your Global Navigation menu. And this has kind of like institution-wide options, things like the Student Support Network. And this is a very important resource right here. It's got links to the Success Center, counselors, admissions and records, things like that. Your courses, you can go look at that. You can personalize your account, add a picture, add information about yourself, etc., etc. This here is called the Course Navigation menu, and this is these are options specific and only applicable to this specific course, English 1C. So for our course, the options you have are announcements. I'll make several announcements a week, and you can keep a record and go through those by clicking there. Modules, we'll go back to this. This is the most important tab on the course, is the one I use the most. Assignments, you can keep track of your assignments. Grades, keep track of your grades. Assignments, they're all linked in the modules tab, so you don't really need to use that, but I left it open for you. Zoom, if you want to get a hold of me, there's also a link in the modules every week to my Zoom room if you want to come to my office hours, come and talk to me. And I put a link to the OWL at Purdue, which is the best writing resource online, in my opinion. Anyways, this is our home page. If we scroll down, there's a bit of information about the course. There's a welcome video. This is a link to the syllabus, a bit about me, how to contact me, a bit about my office hours, a bit about the course again, the textbook, just some general information. A great video you should watch about growth mindset, set to music, so it's a lot of fun. Anyways, just general stuff. So our landing page. Let's just jump into the modules tab. This is by far the most important tab in the course. So I'm in the process of building this as I am recording this video. So you can see the dates are wrong. I taught a version of this course in the summer, so I have to adjust and move things around and update everything. So I'm in the process of that, but this is what it's going to look like. There's a module for every week. So the course has 3 modules: short fiction, drama, and poetry. So that's how I've labeled the different modules, 1.1, 1.2. Okay, and we start with module 0. This is just information about the course, Canvas walkthrough, which you're watching right now. Stuff about communicating with your professors, stuff about the discussion, my expectations, a perusal walkthrough. This is an app we'll be using all the time in this course, so I have a little guide to that. Then a link to my office hours. As I noted, there's a link in every module. And then this is what a more regular module will look like. There will be an overview, and so let's take a look at that. Basically, this is what it will look like. Short video, and then a breakdown of what we're doing that week with the deadlines, right? Some links to very important assignments coming up. As you can see, the dates are wrong, but regardless, this is what it will look like. And then I've divided into due by Wednesday, due by Sunday. We're going to have 2 deadlines every week because this is a fast-track course. We're doing the work in 8 weeks, so we need to move through things quickly. That means by Wednesday, you need to do a number of things, read some things, do some discussion. There's a quiz. The concept quizzes are more like they are video lectures from me or from other sources, and the quiz part of that is just a couple questions to get you to engage with the video. So don't sweat the whole quiz idea. They're really not high pressure quizzes. I'm not expecting you to memorize and regurgitate information. I'm expecting you to engage with the ideas as you're watching them. More discussion. Then there's a flip grid every week as well. Well, twice a week, every deadline. So there's by Wednesday, and then by Sunday, there's, more concept quizzes, more discussion, more flip grid. And every week there's also an exit poll. And this is another very low stakes, more of a reflection activity, thinking about what you learned, what you wish to learn in the future. Okay. And then again, at the bottom, there's a link to my office hours. So that's the basic structure week by week. There will be 2 deadlines, Wednesday and Sunday. All the assignments are here. All the readings are here. This is really the most important tab on Canvas for you. I put them in a specific order. I'd like you to go through them. That doesn't mean you have to necessarily do it in that order, but I did put some thought into how these assignments are ordered, so that you're progressing through the ideas for that section of the week. Also, you can see, well, you will see that the modules are locked until the Sunday of that week so that you can concentrate on that work, and then we can move forward with the next. There will also be material about the response papers. There are 3 response papers, as you'll see in the syllabus. And there'll be information for those. Anyways, that's about it for now. Again, modules, most important page, most important tab on Canvas for you. The rest are going to be useful, but modules is where you're going to spend the most time. All the ratings and assignments are linked here. Anyways, that's about it for now. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can email me, come by my office, and chat about it. And otherwise, I hope you find it easy to navigate Canvas. If you're totally new, come and see me. I can guide you through. And otherwise, have a great start to your semester.